Hey there! Today we're diving into how to design a loyalty points wallet screen using the Ionic design kit. If you're working on an e-commerce, retail, or rewards app, this screen is a game changer. Let's get right into it. On the left-hand side of your screen, we're jumping into the world of coding, using some official Ionic documentation snippets to lead the way. Right in the middle, you'll see the layout, all thanks to the Ionic design kit. And on the right-hand side, we've got a phone emulator lined up, ready to show off what our code can do in real time. Feel free to pause anytime if you need a closer look at something. Alright, let's dive into the Loyalty Points wallet screen. This is where users can see all their collected points, track their progress, and explore ways to redeem them, maybe for discounts, special offers, or products they love. But it's not just about showing numbers. A well-designed wallet keeps users motivated, guides them through earning and spending points, and makes the experience feel rewarding every time they open the app. So how do we make this engaging without overcomplicating things? That's where the Ionic design kit comes in. It's full of pre-made UI components from the Ionic framework, ready for you to drag, drop, and customize. Designers can create polished interfaces in minutes, and developers won't waste time coding from scratch. Everything you need, from points balance displays to redemption cards and informational guides, is already built and easy to implement. The result is a seamless, intuitive interface that keeps users coming back and interacting with your app. Don't forget, all the code snippets are available on our website, so you'll never get stuck. Ready to take your Ionic projects to the next level? With the Ionic design kit, you can create intuitive, visually engaging screens quickly and efficiently. Build smarter, faster, and better. Thanks for tuning in. If this was helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe for more hands-on guides. Catch you in the next video.